One of these authors is real and another one is AI generated. Which is which? With AI, there's no more need to build a YouTube studio, buy a camera and lights to shoot your videos, and then spend hours talking. Let me show you how you can create your own YouTube AI avatar in just a few minutes. But first, why would you need an avatar? Well, it just makes things simpler and much faster. Let's say you already make 8 long videos a month and then you want to add shorts on top of that. Instead of recording the shorts, you just feed the script into the AI, wait a bit, and get full-blown talking head videos in high res with perfect lip sync in any language you want. Or let's say you travel a lot. Why would you carry a separate bag full of gear if you can just create an avatar that will be enough to get by for a few videos? All you'd need to carry in this case is a good mic, and even that is optional. And now let's do this. AI is called HeyGen, and this video is not sponsored by HeyGen, so fire it up, look for a video avatar in the left side menu, click on that, then click on Create Instant Avatar. There are text or video instructions available, but let me save you some time. You'll need to upload a video of you talking to the camera, 2 minutes minimum, preferably more. Mine was around 5 minutes. Set up a studio and lighting. Make sure the shot looks as good as it can, because this is how all the generate videos will look. Also try to be mostly still, keep your gestures to bare minimum. The same goes for the head movements. Just look straight into the camera and talk slowly, taking a pause after each sentence. But don't try to act here, just be natural. Oh, and make sure you use good mic to record your voice. Typically, I'd say that even a mic in your smartphone would be enough, but here I would recommend using something better. Maybe you can rent it or just buy it at the store and return it later. Just make sure your voice is as crisp and clear as possible. And HeyGen lets you record a video through webcam, but I would not go that route. The quality will be poor and you won't be able to use that for videos. After the video is uploaded, you check a few checkboxes, confirm that you allow HeyGen to process the video and use it for model training. And then you just wait. It doesn't take long, but still, go make yourself a cup of coffee. Okay, it's done. Now we just go to AI Studio, pick our avatar, create with AI Studio. Pick the orientation. I'm gonna stick to horizontal, but if you're planning to use HeyGen for shorts, go for vertical. Now there are many menus on the left, but we only care about one, scripts. Open it and you will see a space for your script. By default, there will be already some text, but we're just gonna delete it and replace it with our text. If you've written a script, you can just copy and paste it, or you can upload an audio file that you recorded prior with that high quality microphone that I mentioned a while back. Or you can record with a built-in mic in your laptop, but again, don't do that. If you want the best results possible, record your own voice instead of relying on AI voice cloning. But hell, this cloning works really nice, despite sounding a little off, like it lacks certain frequencies. Once the text is in, I can hit play and check out how the generated audio sounds. Always do that before submitting the video. You never know how AI is gonna pronounce stuff. If you hear that something's off, just regenerate the audio. Once you're satisfied with the result, hit submit and wait. The longer the script, the longer the wait. But in my case, to generate an 18-second video, it took around a minute, which isn't all that bad. I'd say it's pretty much the same speed as if I was to record this text naturally. Okay, let's see what we got. When it comes to the technical part of creating the thumbnails, please don't try to be creative. And the video looks super cool. The lip sync, the quality of the voice, the mimics. There are small hints here and there that something isn't alright, but with some editing on top, it would be harder to guess the video is fake. I'd say for shorts, this is perfect, but for longer videos, I'd still recommend shooting everything for real. For AI, it's too difficult to convey real emotions, expressions, and all those subtle details that keep people engaged and interested. And AI can obviously write you a script or come up with ideas for videos, but those ideas won't be as good as the ones generated by humans. If you're out of ideas, you can use AI to help you out, but a much better decision would be to do it yourself. And if you need help, if you don't know where to start, you can learn our ways through the Full-Time YouTuber Academy. There, we teach you every step of YouTube production, from finding ideas and writing scripts to in-depth analysis of how the algorithms work. This is a huge load of knowledge where every advice has proofs and real-life examples. And more than 3 hours of lessons. The link to it is in the description. Click on it and let's roll. Okay, now let me show you something really cool that HeyGen can do. If I click on the ChatGPT icon over my script, a window will pop up with a chat where an AI assistant will help refine the script, make it shorter, more engaging. I'm gonna ask to divide the script into 3 paragraphs. After the text looks okay, click here to use it as the script. And now watch this. I can click on these 3 dots and choose translate. And I just pick a language and change the voice to my own. I will do it 3 times and each piece of the video will be in different language. Wait a bit for everything to generate and boom. Check this out. I'm speaking Chinese. Huanying, Ninzun Bei, Hayo Jiangxi Pinsuo, and French. Aux métaphores et clichés ennuyeux. Il est temps de faire. And Spanish. Monter en flèche vaut taux de clic. CTR. It's really incredible. No stitches, no editing magic, nothing. I'm simply switching from one language to another as if that's nothing. So cool. Well, translating the script is cool and all, but just like I said, I still think it's better to record your own voiceover and use it for generating a talking head video. This way, the quality will be better, the emotions will be there, and the experience will be better overall. Once you have the file, just click here and upload the voiceover. Then you just submit it like we did earlier, and that's it. Rendering such a video takes the same amount of time. If you don't want to set up a camera and lights, this can still be a great way to make videos. But hey, I'm not done yet. HeyGen has one more trick, translating whole videos. That's where it gets really interesting, because if you master this feature, you will be an infinite content machine. On the main page, you look left and go to video translation. Then you upload a video and choose a target language. You can choose one language or multiple, by the way, kind of like batch translation. Then if you want, you can pick the original language and the number of speakers, but that's not really necessary. It's just something I do to leave AI less room for error. And then I just wait. Translating videos takes some time, so if you finish that coffee, you better make yourself a new cup, but check out these results.
Ik hoop echt dat deze video niet और मुझे सच में उम्मीद है कि आपने इसका आनंद लिया. Condividete i vostri pensieri nei commenti, iscrivetevi alla channel Toroku onegaishimasu.
AI did the transcribing all by itself, cloned the voice, the face, generated new lips and mouth movement, a new voiceover, and then stitched it all together. That's sick. Now here is what I want you to think about. You shoot your normal video in your native language, preferably English. Then you cut all the pauses out, do some initial editing, but don't animate the camera in any way. Then you take this video straight from your video editing app and drop it into HeyGen. Then you translate it and import it back into the editor, and boom, you now have multiple identical videos in different languages. Now you can create 5, 10, or even 20 channels with exactly the same videos while spending only a tad bit more time on editing. Isn't it great? Take the idea. Is free. And HeyGen can do one more thing, can be your video editing app. Basic, but still. For example, for your short videos, you can add small animated objects or even B-rolls. You can find stickers and stock footage and elements. However, I must warn you, the editing here is very basic. You can't do much. But for a quick little short video, this is fine. Also, despite all the features of HeyGen, it can't generate subtitles for your videos. For that, I advise you to use something else, like CapCut. Well, the entire editing is better done in professional apps, so unless you want something really simple, don't bother learning the ropes of editing in HeyGen. In a couple minutes, we've created an AI avatar that looks great, sounds great, and overall is almost indistinguishable from a real me. To make it even better, I can always order additional refinement, takes about 8 hours to do, but the lip sync and voice quality get much better. Obviously, you can't do that without a subscription, but I think the amount of possibilities HeyGen gives is well worth the money. This avatar can save you hours and let you pump out even more content. Though again, for long videos, I'd still do everything the old way. Thanks for watching, sub to the channel for more useful content, and see you next time.